ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Menteri Kesorkar papai ikat nat kam jengok kai perthai uloong baka sorkar jela ha kini kish phau banai ki blalek no kala trai bha kham tam ha ka bai dei bat ki samla ki bayo jingmentoy ya ka CM Elevate program uloong baka jela kala la ru pan kring bun kinong wan jengok kai kham tam ha kini ka ayom telang bat bun ki bawan namar ki layro ya ka jingpho jingpheng ka jela ha kini ki ayom le kemen Christmas bat snem thamai Ulang banang ni syakmat ke sorkar kan nangai trai bahasyu ban kintiu ya ke jelas syaprang. Ka Presiden Keri ka Draupadi Murmu kala banwan sya ke ni ke jela ha ka khatsan bat khan reuterik mentau banai ban Plie ya ke Meghalaya Games arajar afsau bat kumju ru ban Plie maunong rem nak benta ban sedang ya ke Shillong Roadway Project. Menteri Bapet ya katnat kam jengok kai ha ka jela ba poling do ulang ba ka sorkar jela kadang up ya ka jing pentikna na ka office jong ka president ka Meghalaya Games kan long hatura na do ka khatsan hadu ka arpho trek mentau benai kin don kumbala hajar ngot kinoi lekai ki banwan ya shimenta haki artli jajing lekai ka sorkar kelamang ben pelot arpulai kilor tengka hak ka Meghalaya Games kat ba ka Shillong Roadway Project pat ka dei ka belamang ha ka jinglot ka ba shispa lai pupra kilor tengka
Rededicating ourselves to serving the people of the state with utmost sincerity and giving them the best of attention possible. As you can see, in the past 1 year, the government has tried its best to make rapid strides in various sectors of the economy. In the tourism sector, there has been a major change and upheaval, and the footfalls have been rather good. And you will have noticed that for the first time in several years, the festive season attracted a large number of visitors, both domestic and foreign, and they all have been full of praise for the efforts that the government has made to ensure that the festive seasons were celebrated with a lot of fervor and color. A major achievement has been to involve the youth through the CM Elevate program, for instance, where altogether 20,000 youths will benefit in the first year of the CM Elevate itself, which means that by March of 2024, we will be in a position to get the details of the various youths district-wise and sector-wise who are beneficiaries of the CM Elevate program. When you look at the interstate boundary, the two government of Meghalaya and Assam, have been in constant touch, and there has been minimal friction and confrontation at the ground level, unlike in the past many years. Law and order has been well maintained. There is a sense of security and tranquility across the state. The incidents of acts of violence have gone to an all-time low, and on the war against drug trafficking, we have been able to effectively counter the traffickers through regular raids and seizures, and today we have also been able to promulgate the stringent measures through the NDPS bids, and currently we are expecting the state government through the Home Department to confirmed the detention of a few of these frequent offenders. Then when you look at the overall reach of the government to farmers, we have been able to upscale and reach out to more farming communities. Then in the home police itself, we have been able to accommodate around 3,000 more police constables, and that will help us to effectively tone up the performance of the police department. Arts and culture and tourism, you must have noticed that a number of youngsters have benefited through the frequent exchange programs and the various festivals that we have been able to organize. And also for the first time, we have had entrepreneurs from Meghalaya selling their products globally, our pineapples, our oranges, and the state's cultural ambassadors through fashion shows have been able to display our ethnic wear in Italy and elsewhere. Then if the overall sense is that it is a government that is performing, it is a government that is committed to reforming in several sectors, and one of the most iconic projects, the Shillong Ropeway project, we are expecting to lay the foundation stone somewhere in mid-January. And if the president of the country confirms her visit, which is likely to happen within the next 24 hours, we should also be in a position to invite her to lay the foundation stone of this iconic project.